a legendary figure appeared in Japan. With fearless determination and a deep understanding of market dynamics, a trader achieved astonishing success, earning the title of JayC Man. Despite his triumphs, he remained humble, focused on the art of trading rather than the allure of wealth. Facing challenges head-on, this trader refined his strategies, recalibrating deviation targets to adapt to changing market conditions. His journey is one of inspiration, courage, and relentless passion for the trade. Join us as we follow this trader's path, exploring the world of finance through his extraordinary success and desire to become the world's billionaire day trader. BNF gained fame and recognition following his successful JayC trade in 2005. He became a Japanese legend, known as the JayC Man, as everyone wanted to be associated with him after his extraordinary feat. However, BNF remained humble, treating the accomplishment as just one trade among many. Despite the attention, he preferred a simple lifestyle, spending his days immersed in cup ramen, anime, and day trading alone in his small apartment. After making an impressive 2 billion yen from the trade, BNF's passion for trading remained undiminished. He constantly sought the next trade, always hungry for the thrill of the markets. But amidst his newfound fame, a significant challenge approached. The global market started indicating signs of a bear market, a financial bubble that could potentially wipe out his portfolio. To navigate this tumultuous period, BNF realized the importance of cutting out distractions and maintaining an unprofessional setup. He didn't care to impress those with financial power and chose to keep his trading operations simple and independent. BNF's journey began in 1986, growing up in Osaka, where he spent much of his time indoors. However, a turning point came when he encountered a TV series about finance, featuring the legendary hedge fund manager Victor Niederhofer. Inspired by Victor's lifestyle and trading, BNF found a new purpose in his college life. He delved into the world of trading, studying charts and price action with great enthusiasm. This newfound passion made him believe that he, too, could outsmart the system and achieve success. His dedication and focus on trading eventually led him to remarkable feats, turning him into a legendary figure in the world of finance. During the 1990s, Japan lacked textbooks and information about trading, especially using computers. Despite the odds stacked against him, nothing excited BNF more than the prospect of making millions through trading and how it could change his life. The charts fascinated him, and against all odds, he was determined to become a day trader. To achieve this goal, BNF worked part-time jobs during college, saving every bit of money he could. He spent countless hours studying charts, observing price action, and analyzing the movements of top stocks in the Japanese Nikkei index. Over time, he started to decipher patterns and flows in the market. With limited available information, BNF relied on creating his own theories about how the market operated. He devoted all his time to this pursuit, studying charts diligently every single day for 2 years. Finally, he had saved up $16,000, and it was time to face the markets. Despite his hunger and discipline, he encountered a harsh reality. The market was a relentless bear market. In the year 2000, the global stock market had just experienced the bursting of the internet bubble, and Japan had already suffered a significant asset bubble burst in the 1990s, leading to a decade of economic hardship. Despite his thorough study of the charts for 2 years, BNF faced initial losses. However, through his experience and determination, he developed a brilliant yet straightforward strategy. In a bear market, the prevailing sentiment is fear. This understanding became the foundation of his trading approach. People have a strong aversion to losing and often believe that positive market upswings are unlikely in the short term, leading them to underestimate the probability of such events. BNF's trading strategy was contrarian trading, which involved taking the opposite stance of the fearful traders during bear markets. These fearful traders tended to oversell falling stocks to avoid potential losses. To identify short-term rebound opportunities, BNF focused on the moving average divergence. During the bear market of 01, he specifically looked for stocks deviating at least 20% off the 25-day moving average, with 35% considered a relatively safe level to buy. When these stocks rebounded, he closed the trades for a profit. However, despite this strategy, BNF experienced numerous losses, and the pain of seeing his hard-earned savings shrink was evident. He realized that certain sectors of the market were more challenging than others, and that expecting overnight success was unrealistic. Instead of getting discouraged, he chose to concentrate on analyzing his losing trades. Through careful analysis, BNF discovered that his losing trades often involved stocks from the same sectors, each exhibiting different repeating deviations. He deduced that the divergent percentages varied per sector. For example, for service sector stocks, the range of deviation from the 25-day moving average was between 22% and 30%. For post-dot-com crash IT stocks, the range was between 25% and 45%, and for emerging stocks, it was between 28% and 60%. To improve his performance, BNF understood that he needed to develop a feel for each sector before making a trade. By focusing intensely on understanding the unique characteristics of different sectors, he began to have more winning trades than losing ones. In December 2001, during a severe bear market, there was a massive crash in penny stocks, creating what seemed like a market-wide Black Friday sale. Many traders, including some of BNF's friends, saw this as a perfect buying opportunity. However, BNF's instincts told him otherwise. Instead of going all in on the fire sale, he concentrated only on extreme cases, stocks that had dropped significantly more than the market average, closer to 65% deviation off the 25-day moving average. His decision paid off as all of his selected stocks rebounded within 1 to 2 days, with some even experiencing jumps of 50% or doubling in value after 2 to 3 trading days. BNF's calm demeanor and his intuitive understanding of the market allowed him to thrive. By the end of 2002, he had grown his trading account to $1 million in US dollars, solidifying his status as a highly successful bear market trader, finally living off the profits from his trades. In the world of trading, BNF's opponent made an epic blunder, setting the stage for a thrilling tale of triumph and challenges. As the sun rose the next morning, the markets were in turmoil, and the shocking news spread like wildfire. The JayC stock had been abruptly halted. Fearing severe consequences, institutional giants rushed to return their shares and profits to Mizuho Securities, seeking refuge from the chaos. However, there was one bold player who defied the norms: BNF, the daring rogue trader. As days passed and the government remained silent, Mizuho Securities found itself cornered with only one way out: a settlement. They agreed to buy back the rogue trader's shares at a jaw-dropping price of 975,000 yen, a testament to BNF's audacious moves. The result? BNF emerged with a staggering profit of about 2 billion yen, an unprecedented achievement for a bedroom day trader. His incredible feat captured the attention of traders across Japan, earning him the revered title of the JayC Man. Niche trading communities hailed him as a god amongst traders, and even billionaire investor Masayoshi Son recognized his prowess. But amidst the fame and fortune, BNF found himself at a crossroads. While his comfortable lifestyle was a product of his trading success, he grappled with the side effects of attention and wealth. He preferred simplicity over extravagance, cherishing the art of trading above all else. As he navigated his way through the changing tides of the market, a new storm loomed on the horizon, a fresh bear market that would put him to the ultimate test. Returning to his roots, BNF revisited his time-tested strategies, honing his skills for the upcoming challenges. He delved deep into the global financial crisis, equipping himself with knowledge to face the turbulent times. On a fateful day, September 13, 2008, BNF took a bold gamble on Lehman Brothers stock, investing an impressive $6.5 million. The stock had suffered a massive 73% decline that year, presenting a high-stakes opportunity for BNF. However, little did he know that this seemingly calculated move would lead to unexpected consequences and bring him face-to-face with his toughest challenge yet. As the financial landscape trembled, BNF found himself in a relentless battle with the bear market, determined to navigate the storm and emerge victorious once more. BNF, who had mastered the art of navigating the Japanese markets. He was known for his disciplined approach and remarkable success in bear markets. However, temptation lured him across the Pacific to the bustling American financial scene. Seeing an opportunity in the fourth-largest investment bank in America, Lehman Brothers, BNF believed in an inevitable rebound. He saw potential where others saw chaos, but little did he know that this decision would prove to be his undoing. Unfamiliar with the intricate workings of the U.S. market and underestimating its underlying corruption, BNF suffered a catastrophic loss. His $6.5 million investment vanished overnight, leaving him devastated and vowing never to trade in the U.S. markets again. But the turmoil was far from over. As the U.S. housing market crashed, it triggered a global financial collapse, and blood was spilled on the streets of the financial world. In such times, bear market traders like BNF saw an opportunity to strike. Amidst the mayhem on October 10, 2008, he sensed a chance for a rebound in the Japanese markets, particularly in the Nikkei 225 index. Following his tried-and-true principles, BNF bought in, hoping for a turnaround. Yet, the relentless markets moved against him, and he faced a critical decision at the market's close. Should he cut his losses or hold overnight, relying on past successes? Opting for the latter, he trusted that his setup would work in his favor once again. However, the next morning brought grim news. The Japanese markets continued to plummet, and BNF's old deviation targets seemed ineffective. The index kept dropping, dragging him into a losing streak with mounting losses. Amid the pressure, BNF remained remarkably calm, holding on to his discipline and cutting his losers short. Yet the hits took a toll on his confidence, and he realized he needed to adapt. He couldn't time the bottom, but he knew his strategy had potential. He decided to recalibrate his deviation targets per sector of the Nikkei index, acknowledging that markets had grown and rebounds across Japanese sectors were quicker than before. Armed with renewed determination, BNF sought to regain his edge in the ever-changing financial landscape. As the storm continued to rage, he held on to the belief that his expertise and resilience would carry him through. And so, the tale of the legendary trader BNF continued, filled with triumphs and trials as he navigated the unpredictable waters of the global financial world. On October 27th, the Nikkei index experienced a sharp decline, and once again, BNF saw an opportunity for a rebound. However, this time, the market seemed uncooperative, and the Nikkei continued to fall despite his efforts. The weight of his trades grew heavier, and even his usual technique of watching anime to calm his mind failed to work. In a moment of clarity, he realized that his greatness didn't solely rely on his strategies, but rather on his ability to tune out the noise and maintain discipline while developing his unique understanding of the market. Undeterred by the position moving against him, BNF held firm and reaffirmed his commitment to his trading strategy. To counter the ongoing decline, BNF embarked on a bold buying spree, taking diversified positions in numerous companies that were hit hardest within the Nikkei index. His overall position size swelled to an impressive $64.8 million, even as the Nikkei dropped below $7,000. After the Tokyo Exchange lunch close, a turning point arrived when a few top names in the market began to rally, sparking a positive chain reaction that boosted many of BNF's positions before the market closed. Having faith in his understanding of the markets, BNF made the decision to hold his position overnight. The next morning brought more good news as the market continued its rally. Sensing the opportune moment, BNF started unloading his position, resulting in a staggering profit of over $12 million. Once again, he had earned his godlike status among Japanese traders. Despite his impressive success, BNF had wisely diversified his portfolio in recent years, investing in 2 commercial real estate buildings. He recognized the benefits of commercial properties, which offered longer-term tenants and attractive tax cut incentives, especially during times of inflation. While BNF did sell one of his properties, his primary focus remained on trading. With no intention of altering his lifestyle and driven by his insatiable ambition, he remained steadfast on his mission to become the world's first billionaire bear day trader. His journey was far from over, and the legend of BNF continued to grow with each trade and decision he made in the volatile world of finance. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe and hit the notification icon.